Insulation coordination. This topic is related to the electrical power system, switchgear and protection. This topic is very interesting for the protection of the faults. Insulation coordination. Correlating apparatus insulation with insulation of the protective device to achieve overall protection is known as insulation coordination. Basically, this is the definition of insulation coordination. The insulation strength of various equipments should be higher than that of lightning arresters and other surge protective devices. In its simplest form, insulation coordination is the selection of insulation strength. Characteristics of lightning arrestor should be correlated with equipment isolation. You see in this diagram, there is a figure. This is the graphical representation of voltage time. It is used for insulation coordination. You have see in the x-axis the time in microseconds and in the y-axis the peak voltage in kilovolt. There are two representation A and B. A is basically represent the protective device and B is represented the equipment which is to be protected. The insulation of the line, lightning arrestor and equipment should be coordinated. Protective device must have insulation characteristics which must be lie below the insulation characteristics of instrument to be protected. A perfect insulation coordination must satisfy the following conditions. Number 1. The insulation should withstand both operating voltage and voltage surges. The discharge of overvoltage due to internal or external causes must flow to ground efficiently. Only external flashover should cause breakdown. Basically, these conditions are copied from the Reddy Prasad, SBCE Bangalore. But it is related for the insulation coordination, that's why I copied. Basic impulse insulation label, that is known as BIL. It is defined as a reference label expressed in impulse crest voltage with a standard wave not longer than 1.5 into 40 microseconds wave. It is seen in the graphical representation which is given below in the slide. Thank you very much for listening.